My Kalanchoe is getting sort of etiolated, which is just another word for too leggy. Time for a good pruning, and to use the stem to make a cutting. I'm going to cut more than half of the plant off. Remove some of the lower leaves where you'll be putting it in soil. And then leave your stem cutting to dry for about a week or so to make sure that the tip scars over to help prevent root rot. Our Kalanchoe cutting has been callousing over for about a week now, and it's time to transplant it. The potting soil had a little bit of moisture already in it, so I'm not going to be watering it for right now. I left the parent plant out to get a lot of sun, and it only took 1 week and it started to grow again. Wow, that was quick. And here it is after about 3 weeks. It's really growing back fast. In fact, you can see some of the little plantlets already. Cool. I definitely wouldn't worry about pruning back your main plant. They grow back fast. And here's the cutting after about 4 weeks. You can see some new leaves sprouting up in the middle. I have it on my twice-a-month watering schedule. Be sure you don't overwater these plants. Once it starts growing a bit more, I will start giving it more sun. They love the sun. What was once 1 plant is now 2. So it was my experience that you can easily give your Kalanchoe a good haircut and use the cuttings to propagate more plants. Please support my channel by clicking on that like button, leaving a comment, and of course, subscribing. Happy propagating, everyone! Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!